Welcome back and thanks for staying with the morning news show on CNN News 18. Right now we have got a big breaking news now coming in. Well, politics over Agniveer scheme continues to intensify even further after Rahul Gandhi commented on Agniveer scheme that centre is turning soldiers into labourers. Now Assam's Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma and VK Singh have hit out back at Rahul Gandhi. Himanta Biswa Sarma called him quote-unquote a burden on Sonia Gandhi, whereas Union Minister VK Singh said that Rahul should serve the army first.
राहुल गांधी को मैं एक छोटी सी सलाह देता हूँ, फौज में आके नौकरी करो, उसके बाद ये सब कुछ बोलना। बिना नौकरी किए बिना फौज को जाने बोलना उचित नहीं है और वो क्या कहते हैं क्या नहीं कहते हैं उसके ऊपर टिप्पणी करने का कोई फायदा नहीं।
राहुल गांधी ना वो आर्मी हो सकता है, ना वो अग्निवीर हो सकता है, ना वो खुद कुछ काम करके खा सकते हैं। वो माँ का ऊपर एक बोझ है। इसीलिए भारत का लोग राहुल गांधी को कुछ मौका देने वाला नहीं है। हिमाचल में गया, झूठ बोल के सरकार बनाया, कुछ नहीं किया। झूठ बोलने का अगर सरदार कोई है वो राहुल गांधी है। इसीलिए राहुल गांधी हमारे सेना का बारे में कमेंट ना करे। राहुल गांधी बार बार सेना का विरोध कमेंट करके सेना को हर तरफ नाम दे के बुला के देशद्रोह का काम कर रहा है।
CNN News 18's Arun Dhanta is joining us on the broadcast. Arun, a very good morning to you. Central government, while giving out a clarification on Agniveer scheme, said that this particular scheme is to attract youngsters towards the army. Now Rahul Gandhi making such remarks about soldiers being turned into labourers. On one hand, the opposition is raising alarms and suspicions over the kind of operations which are conducted by the armed forces. At the same time, they are now showing concern for the armed forces.
Well, that's right, and this has been one of the phone planks of Rahul Gandhi and the opposition parties. We have seen Rahul Gandhi speaking about that how, if they will come to power, will scrap the Agniveer scheme in multiple rallies and programs. Now we are seeing that responses have been coming in. The former army chief and also the union minister VK Singh coming out and saying that without even knowing the army, without even serving the army, how can Rahul Gandhi make such a comment? Because when he says that through Agniveer, this government is turning our youth into labourers. So therefore, BJP is intensifying their counter whenever Rahul Gandhi or anybody else talks about scrapping the Agniveer scheme. And in fact, we have seen in the past that whenever post the, Agniveer scheme came into the existence, large number of youths have participated in the Agniveer appointment. The programs which are conducted throughout the country. So this is the poll season. We're in the middle of the poll season. Of course, opposition parties will have their own issues to raise, and BJP will not only raising their own issues, but also equally countering the arguments of the Rahul Gandhi and opposition parties. So therefore, we will see such things coming up more, especially in coming 1 week. Because last phase of the polling is still left for 1st of June, and therefore we will see the more and more intensifying energies coming from various political parties.
Right, Arun. Thank you so much for putting all that into perspective for our viewers. We will keep coming back to you for more updates on that story.